Hello guys, good evening everybody. I hope you guys are doing well and happy Sunday to everybody. Okay, I just want to do a simple strategy that works majorly on gold and other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, gold versus USD and the rest of them. So this strategy I'm about sharing now works well on gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, and the rest of them. If you can learn how to use it, you're going to be profitable in the forex market. I just want to please for you guys indulgence to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed, just do what to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe, click the notification button and click the like button so that anytime I do video and upload, you can be notified on your YouTube channel. So let's go. Okay, this is the MT4 platform. I'm going to be using two indicators to get my entry and my exit in the market. Okay, you can see here we have the RSI. Okay, we have the RSI here, and we have also our stochastic. So these are the two indicators that I'll be using to trade the pairs, the forex pairs. Okay, so just pay attention so that you can get every bit of explanation I'm going to explain this evening. It's going to take like 10 minutes or thereabout. I'll be done with the video. So let's go. I will delete everything and then reset everything afresh so that I will teach you how to use it. Okay, I have to delete everything. Okay, you can see that my chart is playing now. My chart is cool. My chart is cool. Market has not yet opened. Okay, so this strategy, you're going to be using it on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, but you can test run it on 4 hours time frame to see if it's good there too. But I've test run it on 1 hour time frame and I see it's profitable. Okay, whatever thing you're going to set here, if you're using your laptop or your phone, you can still set up the same thing. So the first indicator we're going to set up is the RSI, just normal RSI only. You can see the custom here is period is 14, apply to a closed style, 1 pixel, color light blue, and then levels we have 30, 70, 34, and 50. But majorly we're going to be using 30, 70, and 50. Okay, as you just set it, it's just on normal default. You click done. Okay, you can see it has come up. The second indicator is stochastic oscillator. We selected everything is just custom. Okay, custom 5-3, K period 5, T period 3, slow period 3, price field should be applied to a close. Method should be simple. You click done. You can see it now. I have the two indicators here, and I have the two indicators. I have the RSI and I have the stochastic indicator. Now this is how the strategy works. Okay, whenever you see price coming down to the area of 50 at the 50 level, and our stochastic is at the oversold level. Okay, get my point well. Entry to this strategy is when once the RSI is at the 50 level, from up, I'm not talking of from down, from up, from the 70 level down to the 50 level, and then the stochastic is at the level, at the oversold level, which is below 20. At the oversold level, which is below 20, you take your buy trade, and then take 30 pips from the market. Okay, I repeat myself again. When once the RSI comes to the 50 level and our stochastic is at the oversold level, that means the market is going to go up. You take your buy trade. You exit the market at 30 pips move. That is how the strategy works, okay? That is just a simple method of using this indicator. You take your trade at the 50 level when the RSI is at the 50 level and stochastic indicator is at the oversold level. You take your buy trade, okay? So for instance, let's check the areas where the stochastic was at the 50 level and the RSI was at the 50 level and stochastic at the oversold level. Let's check at this point. You can see that this is the 50 level. At this point, stochastic is at the 62 level, so it's not an entry. Let's keep going backwards. Let's keep checking. Okay, you can see at this level, stochastic is still at the high side. This is the lowest side. Okay, so there was no entry on this one. We go up. Okay, let's check this place. This is the RSI is at the above 50, and stochastic is at the oversold level. You can see it here. It's at the oversold level, and RSI is at the 50. You buy. So you can see the candle here. If you had bought, you can see the move more than how many pips? Much pips. Okay, that's trade number one. We'll look for another one at the 50 level. We'll look at another one at the 50 level. Okay, let's check this. Okay, there was no entry here because it's not at the stochastic is not at the oversold level. Let's check again. Okay, this is the 50 level. Stochastic is nowhere to be. It's still at the high side. Okay, let's check this. This is the 50 level. There was no entry there. Let's keep checking. Okay, let's check here. Okay, at this point, yeah, you can see that the stochastic is at the oversold level and the RSI is at the 50. So you can see the candle here at this point. Now you can see that after here, stochastic was oversold. It trailed upwards to this level here. Okay, let me show you what happened there. So your entry should be, you can see the sell here, the sell, sorry, the buy there. You can see the stochastic, the RSI at the 50. Then you can equally see the stochastic at the oversold level. So you can compare them and then see that we got an entry here. Okay. So that's just how to use this indicator. But once price is above 50 level and the stochastic is at the oversold level, you take your buy. Then on the other way around, for a sell trade, well, once you see that RSI is below 50 and is below 50, like it's descending from that below 50, and the the stochastic is overbought. RSI is below 50, stochastic is overbought at the above 80 level, you take your sell trade. Okay, let's check Euro USD if we can get any stuff like that. Okay, now you can see, just take a look at this one now. You can see that our RSI is at above the 50 level and stochastic is about heading down to oversold. So once this stochastic gets oversold and RSI is still at the 50, you take your buy on Euro USD. Okay, so you get the strategy now. The strategy is once the stochastic is at the oversold level and our RSI is at the 50 level, you take your buy. Once stochastic is at the overbought level and RSI is below the 50, you take your sell. This strategy is very accurate when you want to take some trades. Let's check trade examples. Okay, let's check trade examples. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this is 50, this candle is 50 and stochastic is oversold. If you had bought here, let's check how many moves. This is 37038. It moved till 37168, more than 10 pips. Okay, it's something. So like as I told us before, it mostly works on gold, but you can try that on other pairs. Let's look at this one. This is an oversold level. This is an overbought level. Stochastic the overbought level. This is the overbought level, and RSI is below the 50. Below the 50, you take your sell. You can see that you move down, go all the way down. So the strategy is very simple. Now entries for this strategy. For a sell entry, take note of this. For a sell entry, you wait for the stochastic to be at the overbought level and then RSI is below the 50. You take your sell trade. When stochastic is at the overbought level from 80 above and RSI is below the 50, you take your sell trade. You exit the trade when once the RSI touches the 30, and then or you take 30 pips. Then for a buy entry, when once the RSI is above 50 and stochastic is at the oversold level, you take your buy trade. Either you take 30 pips from the market or you wait for the market to hit at the 70, you exit. Now your stop loss is just going to be 20 pips below the low. Like for instance, if you're selling here now, your stop loss should be above here, 5 pips above this. If let's take for instance, you want to buy here. Okay, you want to buy here. Your stop loss should be just a little 5 pips below this and low. So like for instance, let's take a look at this candle. Stochastic is at the oversold level and RSI is below 50. Okay, it's not a good entry. So that's how the strategy works. Just watch the video off and on to get a better understanding of how this strategy works, and then try it on your demo. Whatever I share here is just for an educational purpose. You try this method on your demo. If you're profitable, you can now go live. Okay. Once again, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channels, you can do so. This strategy equally works on volatility indexes. Okay, so you can use it on anything.